Welcome to Qi'an. Please use your mouse to rotate the view or the WASD keys on your keyboard. We are a professional manufacturer of fire doors and soundproof doors. Next, I'll take you on a tour of our factory workshop. This is our loading area where all finished products are loaded. On the left of the forward direction is our assembly workshop, mainly assembling parts and packaging products. On the right is our wooden door production line, where raw materials will go through processes such as pressing, cutting, and stripping, hole opening for parts, brushing machine thickness setting, sealing, etc. The assembly of parts is done on the left. Over here on the left is where the door core filling, film covering, and heat pressing machine area is. The area we just passed is part of the wooden door production line. The area we are in now is the steel door production line. On the left is the electric welding area of the steel door, which adopts a combination of manual and machine. On the right is the rail line of the powder spraying area. The rail connects to the second floor, and after the powder is sprayed on the second floor, it will come back to the first floor. This machine on the left is an automatic electric welding machine. These two on the left here are machines for manual bending. Straight ahead is an automatic bending machine. These two on the right are automatic cutting laser machines. The area on the left is used for the majority of raw materials. The area at the door is for loading and unloading goods. All right, that concludes our tour. If you want to know more about our factory, please contact us. Thank you for watching.